Wah, oke, hari ini kita akan mengadakan touring ke Majalengka yang bersama rekan-rekan. Oke.
We got the future, burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room, I know that you know if you fall, I will be there. Let's light up like the moon. Yeah, we take it off, make it even brighter. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. Tell me what you gonna do. You know that I want you, want you. You know that. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. When you put me in the mood. Hey, that's what I like about you. That's what I like about you. That's what I like about you.
Ayo. Oke, rombongan motornya istirahat dulu sebentar di daerah. Bam. Oke, hari ini kita istirahat lagi. Yang kedua, kita berada masih di daerah Waduk untuk mendinginkan motor sekaligus mengisi perut dan menghangatkan perut dengan secangkir kopi. Di mana ini? Makan dulu. Oke, makan dulu. Let's go. Oke, siap. Kita let's go hari ini. Siap. Oke, gimana perjalanannya? Mantap.
One eternity.
Di pagi dengan sorabi dan teh. Mantap.
A few moments later.
Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side, you will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're old, remember that I told you I'll find my way back home. I could never let you go, couldn't run away if I tried, 'cause even when I'm all alone.
Alhamdulillah kita rombongan nyampe di Pesukinjuk yang bertempat di daerah Talaga. Dengan suasana masih penuh dengan kabut.
You just say the word and I go. No, it doesn't matter how far, 'cause your love is all that I know. Baby, you just stay where you are, and you know I won't be too long. Hold on, hold on. Remember when I told you no matter where I go.
Setelah menghangatkan badan di Saudinjuk, kita lanjut ke Sangiang. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim dengan jalan yang cukup terjal.
Remember that I told you I'll find my way back home. 너는 떠올라
Oke, rombongan sudah nyampe
널
situ.
가둔 채 살아 그만 멈춘 시간 속 잠든 너를 찾아가 아무리 막아도
rombongan
결국
masuki
너의
wilayah
곁인 걸 결국엔
Sangnya.
여행을 끝내 이젠 돌아가 너라는 집으로 지금 다시 way back home 세상을 뒤집어 찾으려 해 오직 너로 연결된 이
Oke, kita sudah sampai di situ Sangiang. Alhamdulillah. Kita akan kasih makan ikan dulu. Oke, pemberian makan ikan-ikan mistis ya. Mantap.
날 안아줘